Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to replace a video in CapCut. Let's get started. Here I have imported my video to CapCut and I'm going to replace this video. So the first thing we should do is we can click on the video or we can click on edit option right here. And I'm just going to click on the video. Then we can scroll all the way to the right until we find replace option. Right, and this is the replace option, guys. Just tap on it. Just tap on replace option right here, and then choose the video from your gallery that you want to use it for replacing the previous video, and I'm just going to choose this one. Just tap on the video. All right, and we can click on confirm. Alright, as you can see that the previous video has been replaced by this video. And that's how we can replace a video in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.